Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you how to enable Facebook dark mode in Android mobile. This method support, we're using dark mode in Android mobile. It means Android 10 or later devices. If you are not upgraded yet, you should upgrade first. However, this is the face after enable dark mode in Facebook. Let's see how to enable dark mode to Facebook with Android mobile. You can see my Facebook wall. Have general look before using dark mode. Open setting on your mobile. Click about phone. We should enable developer option for this. Then select software information. You should tap 5 times on build number option to enable developer option. Go back to setting and see developer option is available or not. We can see developer option below about phone. Open it and find force dark mode option. If toy hard to find that, you can search at top corner search bar icon. After find force dark mode, enable it. Now you should enable dark mode on your mobile. Now check the Facebook dark mode. Work or not. This is the tutorial. Give me a comment. Is it work or not? Subscribe me to watch future videos. Thank you. See you again.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.